Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Geneva Bluetooth. First, make sure your Geneva sound system is plugged in and has sufficient power. Next, ensure your Bluetooth-enabled device, like a smartphone or tablet, is fully charged. Keep both devices close, ideally within 3 feet, to ensure a strong initial connection. This proximity helps prevent any interference during the pairing process. We'll cover the simple steps to get your music playing wirelessly in no time. Once your Geneva speaker is in pairing mode, grab your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to your device's settings and tap on the Bluetooth option. You should see Geneva appear in the list of available devices. Simply tap on it to initiate the connection. Sometimes, a confirmation prompt might appear. Just accept it. This establishes the secure link between your device and the speaker, ready for audio playback. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, after enjoying your music, why not relax with a good book? The new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read anywhere, even by the pool with its glare-free display. It's perfect for unwinding. Check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Troubleshooting is usually straightforward. Try restarting both your Geneva speaker and your Bluetooth device. Sometimes, a simple power cycle resolves minor glitches. You can also forget the Geneva device in your phone's Bluetooth settings and then attempt to pair again from scratch. Finally, ensure your Geneva system has the latest firmware for optimal performance and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.